Hello, Ma'am Janet. It's Bummer Anastasio from STEM 11 Pythagoras. Last week, you ma'am, discussed to us the names of the planet in our solar system, and if Pluto is still a planet. So Pluto is not a planet anymore, and it's considered as a dwarf planet. After the discussion about the planet in our solar system, you gave us a group activity which lead us into cooperating with our group mates. And the group activity is all about why planet Earth is different from other planets. And that activity only concludes into one outcome, which is all the groups who participated an acceptable answer. You discuss about why planet Earth is unique. Planet Earth is unique because it has water, plate tectonics, atmosphere, and